Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamtamang. Today I bring for you all creamy garlic mushroom soup recipe. Please do watch video until then. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to eat your over. धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज पनि तपाईहरु माझमा मैले क्रिमी गार्लिक मशरुम सुपको रेसिपी लिएर आएको छु। हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घरपरिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। Professional detailed restaurant style recipe for creamy garlic mushroom soup written in your preference format with chef tips. Creamy garlic mushroom soup, rich silky deep mushroom flavor, garlic aroma. Ingredients: serving portion 3 to 4 portion. 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 6 to 7 garlic cloves sliced, 300 to 350 mushroom button plus brown plus shiitake mix idle. 1 tablespoon flour for thickening, half teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon thyme dry or 1 tablespoon fresh, 1.5 cup vegetable or chicken stock, half cup cream, 2 tablespoon parsley for optional. Method: Sauté aromatics. Heat butter, oil in a pot, add onion, cook 3 to 4 minutes until translate, add garlic, cook 1 minute until fragrant but don't brown it. Add mushroom, add sliced mushroom, cook 8 to 10 minutes until they release water and slightly caramelize. Add flour, sprinkle 1 tablespoon flour, cook 1 minute to remove raw flavor. This helps the soup achieve body. Add seasoning, add thyme, black pepper and salt. Mix it well, add stock and simmer. Pour in 1.5 cup stock gradually while stirring. Bring to a simmer. Cook 10 minutes until mushroom fully soften. Blend the soup until smooth for fine dining texture strain. Add cream. Return to pot. Add cream. Simmer 2 minutes on low heat. Never boil after adding the cream. Serve. Garnish with the fresh parsley, garlic chips, or drizzle of cream. Chef tips: for a deeper umami, add 1 teaspoon soy sauce or half teaspoon mushroom powder during this simmering. For extra garlic flavor, add slow roasted garlic cloves, 2 cloves during the blending. For richer texture, finish with a cold cube of butter. Classic French method, motte au borne. For a earthy profile, use a mixed mushroom, shiitake, ceremony or bottom. For a thinner soup, add a splash of stock at the end and adjust consistency. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any question, do not hesitate. Send to me message or comment any of my posts. See you next in the video. Ciao.